Hello everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are going to be making yellow rice. This dish, guys, you can find it in South Africa, Namibia and Botswana. There are different recipes for this beloved dish. Some add onions, ginger, brown sugar and so forth. But today I'm going to share with you my recipe, how I make it Mama Bui's way. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. In a medium saucepan, add about 1.5 cups of water. To that, add cinnamon stick, salt, star anise, butter, curry and turmeric. Then take it to the stove and bring to a boil. Meanwhile, rinse the rice under cold running water, stirring the rice around with your hand. Drain the rice. Repeat the process 3 or 4 times. The water doesn't have to run clear. As soon as the water starts to boil, remove anise star and cinnamon stick. We don't want them to overpower the rice. Add the rice along with the raisins. I'm using golden raisins, guys. Cover and bring to a boil over medium-low heat and let rice cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, use a fork and fluff the rice. Serve with your favorite sides and enjoy. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment down below, subscribe. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my heart.